warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 2:15 p.m. At 1:37 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Indiana Harbor, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, Michigan City, Hammond Marina, and Burns Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.